A long story about Igbo culture.
In the southeastern part of Nigeria, where the land is green and rich with palm trees, yam farms, and flowing rivers, there lived a proud people known as the Igbo. The Igbo people were known across the land for their strength, wisdom, deep traditions, and strong community spirit. Their culture was not just something they practiced, it was something they lived every day, passed down carefully from generation to generation. This is the story of Igbo culture, told through the eyes of a young boy named Obinna, who grew up in a peaceful village called Umuofia. Growing up in an Igbo village, Obinna was born into a warm and loving family. His father, Okafor, was a farmer, and his mother, Ngozi, was a trader in the village market. From the time Obinna was small, he learned that Igbo life was built on hard work, respect, and unity. Each morning, the village woke up early. The men went to the farms to cultivate yams, cassava, and vegetables, while women prepared food, cared for children, and carried goods to the market. Obinna's father often said, "A man's wealth is not only in money, but in his character and his work." This was one of the strongest lessons in Igbo culture. Dignity comes from effort. The importance of family and community. In Igbo culture, family is everything. Obinna lived in a compound with not only his parents and siblings, but also uncles, cousins, and grandparents. The elders played an important role, guiding the younger ones with wisdom. The Igbo believed that it takes a whole village to raise a child. Whenever there was a problem, the community gathered together. There was always a sense of togetherness, where everyone supported one another. During celebrations, funerals, or difficult moments, no one was left alone. Traditional beliefs and spirituality. Obinna's grandmother taught him about the spiritual world of the Igbo people. The Igbo believed in Chukwu, the supreme god who created all things. They also respected smaller spirits and ancestors, believing that the dead still watched over the living. Obinna learned that ancestors were honored through prayers, libations, and ceremonies. This connection between the living and the dead showed how deeply the Igbo valued heritage and continuity. The village also respected sacred symbols like the Ofo staff, which represented truth and justice. 5. The New Yam Festival. One of the most beautiful events Obinna ever witnessed was the Iri Festival, also known as the New Yam Festival. This festival was celebrated after the harvest to thank the gods and ancestors for a successful farming season. Before anyone could eat new yams, the village elders performed rituals and prayers. Then came the feast: roasted yams, palm oil soup, vegetables, and meat. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I will be dropping part 2 of this story in my next video.